before doing Chak de, after doing Chak de? क्या चीज़?
Different. Well, before Chak de, no one knows me really. I mean, in Dehradun, people know me that I play hockey because it's a very small state, and I used to score lots of goal, and I was a really good player there. So been playing from 7 years. So yeah, because of that, people know me there. But now it's really different. Now my identity is totally changed. People don't know by my name. They know me as a Komal and they know me as Chak de girl. So they people just call me Komal or Chak de girl. That's it. And it's really nice actually because maybe if I have done really nice that people are really recognizing me like that. So
कोमल, आपने कभी सोचा था कि फर्स्टली आपके आउटफिट की बात करते हैं फिल्म बॉय का
oh God.
इज दैट वेरी लाइक कोमल व्हाट यू वर चित्राशी इज दैट चित्राशी जो हमने फिल्म में देखा है या कुछ अलग सा करना पड़ा था?
It was not exactly, but I remember जब मुझे बताया गया था कि I have to wear so many like loose clothes, so I was like, I can't wear those kind of clothes because I never wore in my life, and they chopped my hair very this thing, so I was pretty sad about it. But later on, I was like, okay, I have to. So I got totally into the character. I lived that Komal character, and yeah, I am similar like that. Not wearing clothes like that, but like attitude-wise, I am like that, and the way Komal is very ambitious and she wants to be the best in the team. That's what I am. I really want to be best in everywhere, wherever I go, and yeah.
और करियर वाइज बचपन से सोचा था कि फिल्म करूँगी?
Never, never ever. I always want to be an hockey player or want to be a media person actually. So that's why I'm doing media now, and I always want to be something in media, and I actually want to be a sports correspondent. So yeah, and Bollywood never thought of it. It just happened, and it's happened because of hockey. So hats off to hockey.
तो आप जब फिल्म में आ ही चुके हैं, एंट्री कर ही चुके हैं बॉलीवुड में, तो क्या आगे फिल्म करने की प्लान है?
Well, any director listening, dates are available. I'm just joking actually. Well, as if now I'm not rushing to anything because I have my own studies and everything, and I have so many options now, and I'm just thinking what to do. And if I get really nice from very nice banner or everything, then only I'm gonna do. Otherwise, I'm okay.
स्टाइल की बात करते हैं तो who do you think are the top 3 stylish men and top 3 stylish women
In
और
India,
क्यों आपको ऐसा लगता
in India,
है? In Bollywood.
Bollywood, I think Shah Rukh sir, of course, he's a man of magic and he's man of style. John Abraham, very stylish, and Akshay Kumar.
Why do you think Akshay is that?
He's a dude. He's just like a dude. The way he walks, the way he speaks, I really love his style, the way, and the hairdo and everything. Really.
And the actresses?
Actresses, I think Shushmita Sen. She's amazing. I really loved her. And Lara Datta, she's very smart. And Katrina Kaif. Very stylish. Thank you.
Wish you all the best. Hope to see you in film very
Pleasure
soon.
meeting you.
Thanks.